Welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven. Most people believe that once they lie down, the body simply switches off and rests. But sleep is not a passive state. It's an active process where your heart, brain, and nervous system are working to repair and reset. And the way you prepare for sleep can either support that process or quietly disturb it. One very common habit is using your phone right up until the moment you fall asleep. Scrolling, watching videos, or reading intense content keeps your brain stimulated. Even if your eyes feel tired, your mind stays alert. This delays deep sleep, keeps your heart rate slightly elevated, and prevents your body from entering full recovery mode. Another mistake people often make is going to bed immediately after emotional stress, arguments, overthinking, or anxiety. Your body carries that tension into sleep. Stress hormones remain active, your breathing stays shallow, and instead of resting deeply, your body stays in a low-level, alert state for hours. Irregular sleep timing is another hidden issue. Sleeping late some nights, early on others, or constantly shifting your routine confuses your internal clock. Your body no longer knows when to fully relax, and this inconsistency affects heart rhythm, hormone balance, and overall sleep quality. Then, there's the overuse of stimulants during the day. Many people rely heavily on tea, coffee, or energy drinks to get through their routine. Even if consumed hours before bed, these can still affect how deeply you sleep. The body may fall asleep, but it doesn't reach the most restorative stages. Physical inactivity also plays a role. If your day involves very little movement, your body doesn't build enough natural sleep pressure. You may feel mentally tired, but physically, your system isn't ready for proper rest, leading to light and interrupted sleep. Sleeping posture is another overlooked factor. Poor neck or back support can subtly affect breathing and blood flow throughout the night. Over time, this reduces sleep efficiency without obvious signs. None of these habits feel harmful in the moment. That's what makes them dangerous. They slowly interfere with the quality of your sleep night after night. True rest starts before your head touches the pillow. When your body is calm, your routine is steady, and your mind is relaxed, sleep becomes what it's meant to be, safe and restorative. I am Dr. Steven, and this is Gentle Health.